The Catacombs Paris are underground ossuaries in Paris, France, which holds the remains of more than 6 million people. Built to consolidate Paris' ancient stone quarries, they extend south from the Barrière d'Enfer or Gate of Hell, former city gate. The ossuary was created as part of the effort to eliminate the effects of the city's overflowing cemeteries. Preparation work began shortly after 1774's series of basement wall collapses around the Holy Innocents Cemetery added a sense of urgency to the cemetery eliminating measures, and from 1786 nightly procession of covered wagons transfer remains from most Paris cemeteries to a mine shaft open near to the Rue de la Tombe et Sonnet. The ossuary remained largely forgotten until it became a novelty place for concert and other private events in the early 19th century. After further renovation and for the construction of access around Place des Feux Chaureroux, it was open to public visitation from 1874 since 2013. The catacombs have number among the 14 City of Paris museum managed by Paris Musée. Although the ossuary comprises only a small section of the underground mines of Paris, Parisians often prefer to intertunnel network as the catacombs.